This is gonna be so much fun. This is Abyssus in Aqualantis at Energylandia. If you're watching this POV, make sure that you watch all other POVs from this trip or from this park, and also the full vlog. If there is a full vlog, yeah, do that. So around there you can see the construction. They're actually building a Vekoma tilt. Woohoo! Okay, very good this part. And second launch. Here we go. No glasses this time, by the way. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow, this is a really nice roller coaster. Woohoo! Whee! Woo! That is a really fun roller coaster. Wow! And we are back to the station with all the waterfalls and that. Really good.
So nice.
That is so nice. Such a good roller coaster. I think that was amazing. Really fun. Love the trains. That's my favorite part, I think. Yeah. Cool.